LinkedIn profile views are important for you when you're using LinkedIn as a business tool and when you're using LinkedIn as a job search tool. You don't just get excited about who viewed your LinkedIn profile. Have a process for managing that information. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to come down here to my analytics, and you see I've had 859 people who've looked at my LinkedIn profile in the last 90 days. If I click on the people icon or the profile views words, it brings up who's viewed your profile. Now, let me set some expectations here. I am subscribed to Premium LinkedIn, so I can see everybody who has looked at my LinkedIn profile in the past 90 days, or at least in the context of those who are not hiding. So if they're not hiding, like Kevin D. Turner is not hiding, I can see who looked at my profile. If you're not paying for LinkedIn, then you will only be able to see the last 5 people who looked at your LinkedIn profile. Now, here's a little idea for you. If you have less than 450 people look at your LinkedIn profile every 90 days, that is 5 people per day. And if you look at this information every day, then in generally speaking, you will be able to see who are the last 5 people who looked at your LinkedIn profile. So do not pay for LinkedIn Premium if you have significantly less than 450 people looking at your profile every 90 days. Furthermore, I recommend don't pay for it just for this feature alone anyway. Now, here's what you need to do with this data. You don't just get excited about who looked at your LinkedIn profile. You look at this information and you make a decision as to who has looked at your LinkedIn profile, who is important to you or relevant to you. You look at this information and then you decide, is Rohan important to my business or my career search? And if so, what should I do? Now, if Oksana is not relevant to what I do in any way, or Marcel's not relevant to what I do in any way, I don't spend any time there. I focus on the people who are important and relevant to me. And those are the people that I'll make decisions about what I'm going to do. Now, what are you going to do? First thing you're going to do is you may go look at Linda's profile and understand a little bit more about who she is. Then, because she's second level and we do have one mutual connection, if she is relevant to me, I may look to see if my mutual connection can introduce me to her. Furthermore, another tactic might be I look at Kevin's profile, go to Kevin, and I look at his content right down here under activity. Where is it? And I make a decision, can I engage with Kevin through his content? Because if I engage with Kevin through his content and he is relevant to me, this could create an opportunity for a conversation, which, oh, by the way, is in fact the goal. So look at who looked at your LinkedIn profile, focus on the people who are relevant, do a little research on these people, and then look for ways to do one of 3 things. Get introduced to them, engage directly with them through their content, and where relevant and appropriate, possibly connect with the people, again, who are relevant to you in some meaningful way, relevant to your business or your career. This is how you want to use the who viewed your profile page of LinkedIn to get real value from this information.